Hey guys, what's up? It's Jimmy from Exotic Expansion here. Today I want to just go over how to use our comparison tool for stocks. So basically, today we're just going to be doing for the example, we're going to be using MasterCard and Visa. They're two very similar companies, but their value and their statistics are very different from each other. So this is how to use it. It works on mobile and desktop. So we're going to set MasterCard as the first stock in the compare list. And then we're going to actually look up, let's see. So let's see. Sorry, bear with me here. We can actually do it like this. Thank God. So we got a new stock system, so you can view any chart really. You can view all their information just by doing /stock/ their symbol. So we're gonna set this as stock 2. So once we've set both of them, you're able to actually go up to the top and hit this. So this actually compares the two. So as you can see, currently Visa looks like a better value than MasterCard, which it was actually the vice versa a little bit before the pandemic and stuff, before the market really hit an all-time high. So you can tell since they have a lower PE, Visa is actually better than MasterCard. It's less overvalued. So even though it has a bigger market cap, it actually has a lower percent over earnings or profit over earnings. So you could basically compare any two stocks on our website, and you can just see which one's better and which one's worse. And it really helps traders figure out value and what's a better value, because you can always find something with a lower PE basically does the same as what another company with a higher PE does. So if you guys enjoy this software, check it out, use it, take advantage of it. I made it for you guys, so definitely use it.